Oh, I think it's going.
Hello everyone, something a little bit different today. We're not fishing, but we are going to be going out on a little trip for Tanya's birthday present, which was from last year. Do you want to explain what it is, babe?
Yeah, we're going to Cobham. We're going to obviously an airfield there for a helicopter flight. God, so nervous. Never done anything like this before. So yeah, we're just driving there. We're against the time a little bit.
I'll take that as a challenge.
Yeah. So yeah, feeling nervous but excited too. ground, so to speak. Oh my goodness. You can hear it, and then you can hear the pilot speaking, and oh, it's just amazing. Oh, God, buzzing.
Did your belly go when it took off?
No, when I took off I was okay, and then he'd done a little dippy like that, and then I was thinking, oh God. And
you can really feel it in there, turning.
Yeah, you can really feel it, and then you see like the earth and the sky sort of move. Oh my God, it was just incredible.
Nothing like an airplane, is it?
Oh God, it's just the sounds as well, you know. Oh, absolutely amazing. Oh!